everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? My name is Beth Carrera and I'm the crazy cat lady. So I have a little surprise. I did it only once on my channel, but I'm doing Universal Yums. And everyone might say, what is Universal Yums? It is a prescription box that has snacks. Then they do once a month in different countries. So I will open this up and let's see what country this is. I can't wait. A place where the hills are alive. That's a clue. So I hope everybody's all set on this, all great on this fine Monday. Just want to open this up. Let me open this up. Right. Alrighty. I got it open. So let's see how we open this. I'm a little confused. Oh yeah, there we go. Ooh, look at how the presentation. Really, really cute. This is Austria. So it comes with like a little map, and look at how cute. Now this one is going to be really, really cool. And it comes with a booklet all about the snacks and what's inside, so you can read what kind of yummies are in here. So that comes like that. So let's get into the first snack. Okay, we got, what is this? Paprika chips. Paprika chips. What in the world? Okay, I'm going to show them first. And I want you to see what we got. We got, I don't know what's in this, but it looks like a little chocolate type of wafer bar. Big banana. Looks like a banana bar. So I'll show you. Got that. Then we got like a wafer chocolate bar. And this is Bobby. This looks like another type of candy bar. Nut Joe. There's a lot of stuff in here. Little wafer strawberry candies, not candies, but strawberry wafers. Snips. Oh, these are like peanuts. And a cookie. Some kind of cookie, is it? Gingerbread glazed with nuts. So we have all that. So let's try the sweet stuff first. What? We want to try the chips?
Yes.
Okay, let's try the chips first. So let's see. I love trying new things. It's interesting. Not bad. Oh, let's try it. You remind me of like a barbecue chip almost. I don't know why. Oh, now who's calling me? Oh, not that number. Alright, not bad. Not a bad. Good?
These are Lay's chips.
Okay. Yeah, these look Lay's. Now I'm going to try these. Let's see what these are all about. These are like, peanut butter puff. I think I had these before one time. These are all snacks from Austria. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's read. Let me see if I can. What's the Bobby one? chocolate bar with caramel. Oh, and nougat. Let's try this. I love trying new stuff. This is so much fun.
Let me try it.
A little different. It has like a little different taste than our bars. But it's good. Sorry about that. I'm like hacking. I got the smaller box. But I got a lot of stuff in this one. Alright. Yep. This is like a chocolate wafer rice crisp bar, but it has like a almond extract to it. I love trying them. Can't wait till next month. It's so much fun.
What does it taste like a Twix?
So that's
Is this very good?
I like it. It has like an almond extract to it.
Okay, I'm not gonna eat this.
I like that. Swig it down. This box was only $15, so I'm gonna eat the rest of it because Okay. I'm dying to see what this big banana thing is. The baked banana is dark chocolate bar with banana mousse filling. Okay, let's try this out. And they have to make it shaped like a banana. Different. It's like a mousse marshmallowy. So it tastes like chocolate covered bananas. Not bad. And this looks like another type of wafer bar. What's in this one? Like it? Oh. It's different. Oh. Nova's like, this is hazelnut and chocolate cream filled wafer. It was a wafer. Let's try this one. Now, all these snacks are from that country. That's what they, sorry, sell over there. It's good. Like a hazelnut chocolate wafer.
What, give me that.
Alright, let's try another wafer.
This smells like an open Christmas present.
Oh, that's funny. Alright. Now this is a Oh, it looks like it's strawberry filled with chocolate. Mmm. I like this one.
Give me it. Oh my god.
Here.
Jesus Christ.
Mmm. I like those. Once I had around here in the States, it didn't have like a true strawberry taste to it. This has more of a... Now this is like a gingerbread cookie type thing. Glazed. Interesting. Yum.
What is that?
Gingerbread. I'm gonna read it. Soft gingerbread with hazelnuts, almonds, orange, sugar. Yeah, it does taste like orange. Okay. So I really enjoyed this box. They even have some trivia questions for you to ask. Well, this was a success. I liked everything in this box. And you get to try from different countries what their snacks are. And I really like these snacks. How about you know? For me, I really like them.
These snips.
Yeah, it's like peanut butter puff. Mmm.
Who would create this?
With that said, I'm done with this video. I hope you like it, but I think all in all, and they put this little card with different, they have Germany and little games and they have like a little what survey type thing. Really cool. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this Universal Yums. It was really good. I had a good time tasting these. Something different, something totally out of the box. Their version, Austria. So if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and hit that like button so YouTube knows I'm doing a good job and that I'm doing good content for you. All right, and until the next time, love you.